Hello, it's Dexter. We observe time through our daily routines, schedules, and life cycle. But how often have we paused to question if time truly exists? Time is viewed as a fundamental structure of the universe, yet it's also considered a human intellectual construct.
Intriguing, isn't it?
To understand this duality, we must venture into the realm of theoretical physics. In the world of quantum mechanics, time is perceived differently. Particles can exist in different states simultaneously, only collapsing into a certain state once observed. This implies time doesn't really matter on a quantum level. Baffling as it sounds, this invites a radical shift in how we perceive time. Another scientific heavyweight, Albert Einstein, posited that time and space are woven into a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. According to Einstein, gravity warps this fabric, causing the flow of time to slow down near massive objects. It's like tossing a bowling ball onto a trampoline. It causes a dip. That's the theory of relativity for you. In this view, time exists as a dimension, just like space, interconnected and relative. Now, if we put on our neuroscience hat, the perception of time becomes even more intriguing. Our brain perceives time based on memories and attention. Neuroscientists believe that our internal biological clocks, or circadian rhythms, shape our perception of time. Experience also plays a role. Have you noticed how time seems to fly when you're having fun? It's a fascinating example of how subjective our perception of time can be. The processing of information also influences our perception of time. The more information our brain has to process, the slower time seems to pass. Have you ever felt a terrifying moment lasting forever, or enjoyed a moment that seemed to slip away too quickly?
That's your brain exercising its temporal judgment.
Collectively, the theories from physics and neuroscience propose that time, while physically present in the universe, is also something our brain constructs to make sense of reality. Hence, the statement that time is relative rings true in every sense, both in the physical world and in the unique world within our minds. But what if I told you that time isn't just a linear progression? Prepare to have your mind blown as we delve into the concept of time dilation. Time dilation refers to the phenomenon where time can appear to move differently depending on factors like speed and gravity. According to Einstein's theory of special relativity, as an object approaches the speed of light, time for that object moves slower relative to an outside observer. This means that if you were to travel at the speed of light and return to Earth, while only a short time would pass for you, centuries may have passed for those on Earth. But it's not just high speeds that can affect time. Gravity also plays a role in time dilation. The stronger the gravitational force, the slower time moves. This phenomenon has been observed near black holes, where time practically stands still. So, depending on your position and velocity, time can be experienced differently. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, let's shift our focus back to the human mind. Have you ever experienced a time warp during deep focus or in moments of intense emotion? Psychologists refer to this phenomenon as time perception distortion, where our internal sense of time becomes malleable. During moments of stress or fear, time can seem to slow down, allowing our brains to process information more efficiently. Conversely, in moments of excitement or joy, time can speed up, creating a sense of time flying by. These time perception distortions highlight the intricate relationship between our emotions and the passage of time. But what if we could manipulate our perception of time? Could we control the speed at which time passes? Some researchers believe that mindfulness and meditation practices can help alter our perception of time, allowing us to experience the present moment more fully. By sharpening our attention and training ourselves to be present, we can cultivate a deeper connection with time and enhance our overall well-being. As we continue to ponder the nature of time, let's explore the intriguing concept of time loops and time travel. In theoretical physics, some theories propose the existence of wormholes, hypothetical tunnels that could connect distant points in space-time. If traversable wormholes were possible, could we use them to travel back in time or even visit parallel universes? Theoretical possibilities aside, the idea of changing the past raises intriguing questions about causality and the consistency of the timeline. But perhaps the most mind-bending concept of all is the grandfather paradox. If we could go back in time and prevent our own existence, how would that impact the future? Scientists continue to explore these theories, unraveling the mysteries of time and its potential for manipulation. So, does time truly exist, or is it simply a construct of our minds? As we delve into the depths of science and philosophy, the answer remains elusive.